Aloe vera, you know it, you've probably used it. This humble plant with its thick fleshy leaves is a staple in many households. Its reputation precedes it, known for its myriad of uses and benefits. But what makes aloe vera so special? Why has it stood the test of time and remained a favorite across generations and cultures? This plant is a global superstar. From the arid deserts of Africa to the tropical climates of Asia, aloe vera thrives in diverse environments. Its resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. But beyond its hardiness, it's the plant's versatility that has earned it a place in the hearts and homes of people worldwide. People have used aloe vera for centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered this plant. Cleopatra is said to have used aloe vera as part of her beauty regimen. The Greeks used it to treat wounds and burns. Its medicinal properties were well known and documented in ancient texts. It's famous for its soothing properties: sunburn, aloe vera; skin irritation, aloe vera. The gel inside its leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a natural healer, providing relief from burns, cuts, and other skin ailments. Its cooling effect is almost instantaneous, making it a go-to remedy for many. It's a natural remedy found in homes and hospitals worldwide. From skincare products to health supplements, aloe vera's applications are vast. It's used in creams, lotions, and even drinks. Its benefits extend beyond just topical applications. It's also consumed for its digestive and immune-boosting properties. But have you ever wondered how that gel gets into the bottle? The journey from plant to product is a fascinating one. It starts with the careful cultivation of the aloe vera plant. Farmers tend to these plants, ensuring they receive the right amount of sunlight and water. Once the leaves are mature, they are harvested with precision. It's a fascinating journey from plant to product. The harvested leaves are then transported to processing facilities. Here, the real magic happens. The leaves are washed and inspected for quality. Only the best leaves make the cut. They are then sliced open to reveal the precious gel inside. And trust me, it's a lot more involved than just scooping out the gooey stuff. The extraction process is meticulous. Workers carefully extract the gel, ensuring that it's free from any impurities. This gel is then filtered and purified, ready to be transformed into various products. Come on, let's get our hands dirty and explore the amazing world of aloe vera production. From the fields to the factory, every step is crucial in ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of aloe vera gel, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken to get to you. Aloe vera isn't picky. This resilient plant has a remarkable ability to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. It can grow in tough conditions, making it a favorite for those looking to cultivate it in less than ideal climates. Think deserts and dry climates. Aloe vera is well suited to these areas because it has adapted to survive with minimal water. But to make aloe vera gel on a massive scale, you need ideal conditions. This means more than just planting it in any dry area. We're talking large farms with plenty of sunshine. The sun is crucial for aloe vera as it helps in the photosynthesis process, which is vital for the plant's growth and gel production. These farms are carefully managed. Every aspect from planting to harvesting is meticulously planned to ensure the best yield. Workers make sure the soil is just right. The soil needs to be well draining to prevent waterlogging, which can harm the plants. They water the plants regularly, but not too much. Aloe vera is a succulent, meaning it stores water in its leaves and doesn't need frequent watering, and they keep a close eye out for pests and diseases. Regular inspections help in early detection and treatment, ensuring the plants remain healthy. It's all about creating the perfect environment for these spiky plants to flourish. With the right care and conditions, aloe vera can produce high-quality gel that is used in a variety of products, from skincare to health supplements. Harvesting aloe vera is an art in itself. The leaves are carefully cut to ensure the plant continues to grow and produce more gel. Once harvested, the leaves are processed to extract the precious gel. This gel is then purified and prepared for various uses. Finally, the gel is packaged and ready to be shipped around the world. From skincare products to health supplements, aloe vera gel is a versatile ingredient with numerous benefits. So the next time you use an aloe vera product, remember the journey it took from the arid fields to your hands. It's a testament to the resilience of this incredible plant and the dedication of those who cultivate it. Harvesting aloe vera is a hands-on job. No fancy machines here. The process begins early in the morning when the sun is just rising, casting a golden hue over the fields. Workers, equipped with gloves and sharp knives, move methodically through the rows of plants. Each plant is inspected carefully to determine which leaves are ready for harvest. This is not a task that can be rushed. It requires patience and a keen eye. Workers carefully select the most mature leaves. These leaves are identified by their size, color, and firmness. The mature leaves are usually thicker and have a deeper green color compared to the younger ones. The workers have developed an intuitive sense for this over years of experience. They know that selecting the right leaves is crucial for the quality of the final product. These leaves are plump and full of that precious gel. The gel inside the aloe vera leaf is what makes it so valuable. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are beneficial for the skin and overall health. The plumpness of the leaf is a good indicator of the gel content. A well-hydrated leaf will yield more gel, which is why the timing of the harvest is so important. They use sharp knives to cut the leaves close to the base. Timing is everything. The cut must be clean and precise to avoid damaging the plant and to ensure that the leaf retains as much gel as possible. The workers have to be careful not to cut too close to the base, as this can harm the plant and affect future harvests. It's a delicate balance that requires skill and precision. Harvest too early, and the leaves won't have enough gel. The gel needs time to develop and reach its full potency. If the leaves are harvested too soon, the gel will be watery and less effective. This is why the workers take their time to ensure that each leaf is at the perfect stage of maturity before it is cut. Wait too long, and the gel starts to lose its potency. It's a delicate balance. Overripe leaves can become too fibrous and the gel can start to degrade, losing its beneficial properties. The workers have to strike a balance between harvesting too early and waiting too long. This requires constant monitoring and a deep understanding of the plants. The harvested leaves are then loaded onto trucks and rushed to the factory. Speed is of the essence here. The fresher the leaves, the higher the quality of the gel. The workers move quickly to load the leaves onto the trucks, ensuring that they are transported to the factory as soon as possible. This minimizes the time between harvest and processing, preserving the gel's potency. Freshness is key in the world of aloe vera production. Once the leaves arrive at the factory, they are processed immediately. The gel is extracted, filtered, and prepared for use in various products. This swift processing ensures that the gel retains its maximum benefits, making it a valuable ingredient in skincare and health products. The entire process from field to factory is designed to maintain the highest quality of aloe vera gel. Step inside an aloe vera factory, and you'll be amazed by the hustle and bustle. It's a well-oiled machine, literally. The air is filled with the scent of fresh aloe vera. Conveyor belts hum as workers in hairnets and gloves monitor the process. The first step is washing. The harvested leaves are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. No dirt or impurities allowed. Then, the leaves are inspected one last time before moving on to the extraction process. Extracting the aloe vera gel is where things get technical. The cleaned leaves are fed into automated machines. These machines are designed to separate the gel from the tough outer rind. Sharp blades carefully slice open the leaves. Then a gentle scraping process removes the clear gel. It's like filleting a fish, but with a lot more green. The extracted gel is collected in large, sterile containers. Section 6. Ensuring quality, every drop matters. Quality control is paramount in the aloe vera industry. The extracted gel undergoes rigorous testing. Technicians in lab coats analyze its purity, potency, and consistency. They're looking for any signs of contamination or degradation. Only the highest quality gel makes the cut. It's all about providing consumers with a product that's safe, effective, and true to its natural goodness. Section 7. Packaging the goodness from factory to shelf. The final step is packaging. The approved aloe vera gel is pumped into bottles of various sizes. These bottles are then labeled, sealed, and boxed up. Automation plays a big role here, ensuring efficiency and hygiene. From there, the finished products are shipped to warehouses and distribution centers, and finally, they make their way to store shelves, ready to soothe and heal. Section 8. Aloe Vera Gel, a global phenomenon. Aloe Vera Gel is a global phenomenon. It's used in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and even food and beverages. The demand for this wonder gel is constantly growing. This creates jobs and boosts economies worldwide. From the sun-drenched fields to the high-tech factories, The aloe vera industry is a testament to the power of nature and human ingenuity. Section 9. The future of aloe, sustainable and promising. As we move forward, sustainability is key. Responsible aloe vera producers are committed to ethical farming practices. They're also exploring innovative ways to reduce waste and minimize their environmental impact. The future of aloe vera is bright. This versatile plant has much more to offer. With continued research and development, we can expect to see even more innovative and beneficial uses for aloe vera in the years to come.